How to install Android apps on Windows 11. First thing first, head over to your menu and in the search bar, search for Microsoft Store. So right here, head over to Microsoft Store. It will land you on this interface. Right here at the left side of the screen, the option of apps will be visible to you. Head over to it. It will show you tons of applications that are available on Microsoft Store. Right here, tap on Essential Apps. Now it will show you different applications that might be useful for your PC. From here, head over to any of the applications that you want to install. Let me head over to TikTok. Right here, tap on Get. It will start to install this application on your device. Likewise, head over to any of the applications and just tap on Get. And after a while, the application will be installed on your device and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can install the Android application on a Windows 11. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.